welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen, and today is CraftBox Day. CraftBox is a monthly subscription box with crafty items. So I do a lot of mixed media with these items. You can do paper crafting, scrapbooking, card making, things like that. I do mixed media and art journaling. So this month's box is a beautiful foiled silver with a beautiful silvery gray ribbon. And let's see what's inside. Okay, so this is a Witchcraft box. So this is a Witchcraft University official diploma for Jen. By the power vested in the Department of Magical Arts at the Witchcraft University, in accordance with the Ministry of Magic, this certificate is hereby granted to Jen for the successful completion of all studies and courses prescribed by the Board of Wizards, having honorably fulfilled all the requirements to become a qualified witch. And then Headmaster and security signatures, and it says 16th day of December, 1204. I really like that. Very cool touch. A very pretty purple wrapping. Gorgeous flowers. I like that there's leaves in this one. I often need leaves, and there's not a lot in my collection usually with these items, so that's pretty cool. It's a herbology collection, looks like. Ooh, a scroll. Very pretty ribbon. And it is another diploma. So this one is blank, and it's got a pretty backer. And then there is Potions Class Vials. Glad they wrapped it up like that, because last time I got vials in my craft box, they came broken. They were wrapped up in a piece of plastic, I think, and it still broke. So this one looked pretty tight, so hopefully nothing broke. Oh, this one's cute. I love that one. Oh, very cool. They all made it this time. And I don't blame them for the last one breaking, don't get me wrong. It's all mail. These come from the UK, and I am in the US, in Texas. So, yeah, stuff happens. Shipping's not the greatest. Some purple spray. Very cool. I think I have some of that, if it's the same one. Some labels from my bottles. Personal wizard trinkets. Look at all these trinkets. Oh, I love that one. Look at that tree. Detail of that is gorgeous. And a bunch of little guys. It's a seashell and resin. So witches. Very cool. It's a little rock. A little tiny rock. Okay. Very cool. And then we have some ephemera. Ooh, and a nice little envelope. I like it. It's a reusable kind of like a CD envelope, but perfect. It says a magical clippings. Oops. And I like that there's no white outline like there usually is on ephemera. These are very cool. Oops. Twice. Okay. Very cool. I love the frogs. Love the hats. Oh, I am so excited to actually get this. I saw somebody, unfortunately a spoiler, when I was scrolling through the Facebook, but they had a little box, shadow box that was divided up, and it was kind of like a little bookshelf. They put all their potions and stuff on. I was hoping it was part of the box of the kit. So this is a snip art, and it is a shadow box. It's really cool because the dividers make it look like it's a bookshelf. So I'm very excited for that. That will be the project this month that I do. Very cool stencil. I really like that one. And then the papers. So it looks like we have a bunch of papers this month. Nice. So this is Green Magic Paper Pad. 20 pages, 6 by 6. Nice. And then there's 14 bronze and gold gloss pad. And these ones are falling off, so I'll just show you these first. I really like that she does these gloss pads because if you use die cuts, they are awesome for cutting out items, embellishments. So there you have it. That is the Craftbox UK Wizard, what's it called? Witchcraft University, or yeah, we'll just go with Witchcraft University. I thought the card had something different on it. But there you have it. Let me know what your favorite thing is. This says Herbology Specimens. And this is Potion Class Vials. I love how they themed everything. Let me know what you think about this month's box, and here's what I created with it. Have a great day.